Hi everyone, it's Hydroform here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to fix the privacy and online safety page being blocked so that you can go ahead and change all of your settings however you would like, and it's pretty simple to do. Firstly, head to Microsoft.com and sign into your Microsoft account that you play Minecraft or any other game that you're having issues with, and then go and click on My Microsoft account. You'll be taken to this page where you're going to go ahead and click on your info in the left hand corner right over here, and once you do that you're going to see your date of birth right over here. Now if it's under the age of 13, make sure to just go and click on this right over here, and make sure to change the age or date of birth to above the age of 18. So basically now it's 2026, so make sure to you change it to something about 2008 or 2009. And once you change your date of birth, basically that's all you have to do. You can just go ahead and reload this page, and all of these options will be available, and you can go ahead and change them and click on submit, and then you should be able to play Minecraft multiplayer or any other game multiplayer without any issues. And yes, that should pretty much cover it for this video, you guys. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll message you and try to fix it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.